Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Locked, where I show you how to get dreadlocks like some of your favorite celebrities. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we are going to be looking at Ozuna's dreadlocks. If I mispronounced it, please correct me in the comment section. But I believe this is a Puerto Rican artist. He has a set of dreads. I'm gonna walk you guys through the process of how he got his dreadlocks. And if you guys remember, I believe Notlocks did a video on this guy. He actually did claim that he had fake dreads. We'll see if it was a myth or if it was real. Go ahead and take a look at him. So looking at this first picture of his dreads, we're going to zoom in right here. And we can see that his hair is really skinny, very maintained, not too much frizz. It is a little more loose at the roots, but that's expected, especially with dreads. But overall, they look pretty clean. It does look like he has a high top set of dreads, and it also does look like he started out with probably twisting with gel, and then to maintain them, probably twist with gel, maybe a little crochet work. I think majority of people with dreadlocks do a lot of crochet work to maintain their dreads. Looking at another photo, man, he has some clean off-white shoes, and yo, his dreadlocks look real, so right now they don't look like they're fake. To tell you the truth, he has some really clean dreads. Looking at him with the hat on, his dreads do have a weird shape to them though. They're skinny at the roots, which is expected, and then it goes down to like a ball at the end of the dread, and they almost look like baseball bats, like what I explained in Ski Mask's video, the first one I did of him. They look like baseball bats. Like as they elongate, they get thicker, and it's kind of expected with dreadlocks for the roots to be skinnier, but not gradually get thicker all the way to the tip. Usually the dreadlocks will be skinny at the root and then gradually get big and then blunt off at the tip, which makes it skinny at the tip as well. But his look like baseball bats, like how Ski Masks look at the beginning. But let's look at more photos. So is this another photo of him? This is another photo of him. You see that he actually has longer dreads right here, but obviously he could have grown them out long and then cut them. Okay, so we can see that he does do twisting with gel, and yeah, his dreadlocks look real. So we're gonna go ahead and take that myth off for right now. They do look pretty clean. Can't really see much of the dreads right here, but one thing we can say is that they are really maintained and they're taken care of. One thing to notice about his dreads is that they are super skinny. That's one of my favorite forms of dreads, is when they're really skinny like that, because then you can braid it really easy, and I feel like it's easier to style it, and the styles that come with it are, to me, look a little better. Now looking at this photo, his hair is a little shorter. You can see that dreadlock at the very front is that his root is really skinny, and then it gets off into a thicker dread. And I honestly think that was why there's speculations of him having fake dreads, but still not sure. Now right here we can see that he has like a taper fade, and this is super clean, and he has the braids back, and overall this is a clean look. His dreadlocks overall just look super clean. But let's get to the bottom of how he actually started them. I'm gonna scroll down a little bit, and unfortunately his posts only go back as far as this video, which he has dreadlocks in this video, so it doesn't show the whole process. But by looking at this photo, man, his taper fade with his dreadlocks is super clean. But what I can tell you guys, if you guys do want to get your dreadlocks like him, just make sure that you have a taper like this. It's almost like a South of France with dreads, and this is actually a really clean look. If I did not have a high top set of dreads, I would definitely get like a South of France or a taper fade of dreads. And if you want your hair to look like him, start out with twisting with gel, and then just consistently twist with gel, like probably once a month after starting them, and then you can go down to like once every 2 months. And to make sure that they're super maintained, you can even blend out the tips with a crochet needle and just maintain frizz with crochet needling as well. But that is basically how you can get dreads like Ozuna, would be twisting with gel, make sure you get a taper fade, and just let your hair grow really long, and then maintain it by crochet hooking and then twisting with gel as well, like once every month or once every 2 months. Hopefully this helped you guys out on how to get your dreadlocks like Ozuna if you do like his hair. I want to give a shout out too, so make sure to comment down below so you can get a shout out in the next video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.